At least 50% of marriages in the United States end in divorce because of irreconcilable differences that make the bond irretrievable. These could be due to some transgression on the part of one's spouse, such as infidelity, or physical and psychological abuse. Or perhaps one of the spouses happens to decide to take his or her life in a different direction, for example, going as far as moving out of the family home to accomplish a goal, and that makes it impossible to continue a supportive live-in relationship with his or her spouse. While family courts ostensibly try to help families by saving marriages, the fact remains that, if after all considerations and negotiations one of the spouses still wants a divorce, he or she will not be denied one, in the end. Since marriage is a legal contract, its official termination has to be ironed out and sanctioned by a family court. The separate parties may mutually decide to request a no-fault divorce, especially when there are little or no assets to be divided up, or if no children are involved. If the attorney of one of the spouses files for an at-fault divorce, the court will hear testimony from the spouses, unless a settlement is reached beforehand. The proceedings are much more involved and complicated in the latter case, as one of the spouses is usually seeking some kind of damages for some transgression or transgressions he or she alleges his partner committed. In the latter case, besides granting a divorce, the court will make decisions about alimony, division of assets, each party's responsibility for any mutually assumed debt, and Texas child custody and child support, if applicable.